Hello, Sia. It is me, Javi. Hope everything is going well tonight. First of all, good job today on completing your assignments and doing your work. Great job. I knew you had it in you. I don't care what people said. All right, that being said, we were going to discuss this area of a pentagon. Now, it's very similar to finding the area of a triangle given the vertices. But here's the way that we have to set it up a little bit. I put the equation right here. Okay, first of all, here's our points. 1, 1, 3, 2, 5, 4, 4, 7, 0, 6. Don't worry about those just yet. I'll get to those in a second. Take a look at my actual equation. There should actually be like there we go, parentheses here. Now, the actual equation to find the area of a pentagon or any polynomial, he may trick you on this one, is x1, x2, y1, y2. That makes up your first 2 by 2 matrix that you have to find the determinant, plus x2, x3, y2, y3. You keep going until you reach the end. Right here, notice how I put n and n right there. So x3, so if it was a 5-sided pentagon, it would be x4, x5, y4, y5. So next thing I did is just to give you a better representation on how it should be ordered. If you remember, he said, oh, you should do it counterclockwise. That's correct. But let's take a look at this funky little graph here. There should be a line right here, coming right here, but there's no line, unfortunately. So just imagine. You kids these days are creative anyway. So imagine that this is the 5-sided pentagon. You always want to, first of all, graph it. Always graph it. Second, start with your highest point. That should be your first point. So in this case, it was 4, 7. All right? And then my next point is 6, 0. So I'm going to hop over to my iPad here real quick. And so I have 4, 7. Okay? That's my first point. And then my next point is 0, 6. Now, I can go ahead and put all of these in order if I want to right off the bat. I can go ahead and do that. It would be 4, 7, 0, 6, I believe 1, 1, 3, 2, and then 5, 4. Okay, you can go ahead and do that if you'd like, and then label them out. So for this first one, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So if I look at my equation right here, it says my first 1/2 times, so in this case, it's going to be 4, 0, oh, that's a 0, sorry, my finger, not accurate, and, where is it, 7, 6, plus, okay, now what I have to do is find my next point. According to this nice little graph here, it is 6 and 1, 1. So, if I'm just going to do my math here, 0, 6, and 1, oops, 0, 6, and 1, 1, okay. Now, this is x2, y2, x3, y3. So, I have 0, and 1, and 6, and 1. Okay, etc., etc. You do all of these until, and then what you'll do is, remember, cross multiply, not line thingies as you like. Find the determinants for both of these. 24 minus 7 is 17 in this one. So, etc., etc. Just do a 0 and minus 6, etc., etc. So find your determinants, add them all together, and take 1/2 of it. This should explain it. When I've done the math, it does come out to 19 units. So I hope that this at least helped you out. Again, look at the formula. First things first. Step 1, just go ahead and graph it. Step 2, start at the highest point, go counterclockwise. I would even label them. x1, x2, y1, or x1, y1, x2, y2. Step 3, take a look at the formula. Plug in points where necessary, find the determinants, add them together, take 1/2, there's your area. Booyah! Gangster. Alright, hope everything went well, hope you enjoy it. Email me back that you were able to watch this video, so that I know that you understand it. Bye. How do I close this?